Hello, welcome to Canal Win Digital. Here you will find the best and most current strategies for internet sales. Follow. TikTok is a rapidly growing social media platform and can be an excellent tool for increasing your company's sales. With its ability to create fun and engaging content, TikTok can help you attract potential customers and increase your online presence. In this text, we will explore 10 ways to use TikTok to sell your products or services and make the most of your follower base. From creating content to highlight your products to using TikTok's e-commerce tools, there are many ways to take advantage of this platform to boost your sales. There are several ways to sell using TikTok. Create content to highlight your products or services and include purchase links in your company profiles. Use TikTok's advertising tools to promote your business posts or accounts. Collaborate with TikTok influencers to promote your products or services. Use TikTok's e-commerce option to sell directly within the platform. Create hashtag challenges and campaigns to generate interest and engagement around your products or services. Utilizing the live shopping feature, where you can showcase your products and allow users to purchase directly from the app during your live stream. Create educational content to teach your followers how to use your products or services and show their benefits. Use the comments feature to answer questions from potential customers and direct them to your virtual store. Use the stories feature to spread promotions and special offers to your followers. Participate in virtual events or sponsored campaigns to expand your presence and reach a wider audience. Thanks for sticking around, enjoy our video and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Success to all, until the next video.